We've been driving for 30 minutes and haven't seen much in the way of wildlife. We're here at Custer State Park, which is absolutely beautiful, really quite stunning. Right now, up to this point, we've seen prairie dogs and white-tailed deer. We're holding out for some buffalo. We really want to see some buffalo. But the noisiest wildlife we've had by far are these children. So we've had them come outside and do some dancing.
We're making a joyful noise to the Lord, Daddy.
Yeah. That is teenagerous snarkiness. Common teenager. Yeah. Teenagerous snarkiness. Common teenager, typically found by U.S. highways. Here's my beloved.
With the best shirt ever. Oh.
Yeah, we love this shirt. Do not pet the fluffy cows. It's kind of a nice way of saying stay away from the buffalo. They'll beat you up. Okay, some energy out, and I'm being attacked by wildlife. It's okay, we're loading up.